Hi dear students, in this session I am going to discuss the differences between mass and weight of a substance. Mass is the amount of matter present in a substance, but weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. Mass is always a constant, but weight varies from one place to the other. Mass is a scalar quantity, but weight is a vector quantity. The mass of a substance determined very accurately in the laboratory by using an apparatus called analytical balance. SI unit of mass is kg, that is kilogram. Let us know the definition of volume. The volume is the amount of three-dimensional space occupied by a substance. Volume has the units of length whole to the power cube, that is length into breadth into height. SI unit of volume is meter cube. Other units are centimeter cube or decimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 decimeter cube. In the lab, volume of liquids or solutions measured by using the apparatus like graduated cylinder, burette, pipette, etc. A volumetric flask is the apparatus which is used to prepare a known volume of a solution. Some of the volume measuring devices are burette, pipette, graduated cylinder, volumetric flask. These are the apparatus used to measure volume of the solutions. Let us know the definition of density. Density is the amount of a substance per unit volume. SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. Non-SI unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. There are three common scales to measure temperature. First one is degree Celsius, second one is degree Fahrenheit, third one is Kelvin. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, which is denoted by letter capital K. The thermometer with the Celsius scale are calibrated from 0 degree to 100 degree, where these two temperatures are the freezing point and the boiling point of water respectively. The Fahrenheit scale is represented between 32 degree to 212 degree. Thermometers using different temperature scales are given below. In Kelvin scale, 373.15 degree Kelvin is equal to 100 degree Celsius in Celsius scale, which is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale, which is the boiling point of water. Human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius, which is equal to 310.15 degree Kelvin, and which is also equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. But our room temperature is 25 degree Celsius, which is equal to 298.15 degree Kelvin, which is equal to 77 degree Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius, which becomes equal to 273.15 degree Kelvin, and which is also equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. The relation between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale is given by following equation. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 divided by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32, or degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. The Kelvin scale is related to Celsius scale as follows. Degree Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Note, in Celsius scale negative values are also possible, but in Kelvin scale only positive values are possible.